Hi guys, how we doing? As you can see, lovely glorious day in Scotland compared to what we've had the past week. Anyway, I thought I'd come out and give you a wee tour. Nothing much was happening really, not much changed. My epicure, as in Ayrshire potatoes, have started to come up. So I need to get some more compost on them. These are just spare stuff. My Maris Pipers have started to show as well, so they'll be coming up. They'll be getting covered again if we ever get any frost. The real difference is in the low tunnel. I'll just go in here. My peas, I need to get them in as soon as humanly possible. And everything else is growing okay, apart from, as you can see there, the cabbage, and down here, the turnip, which is why I'm going to redo this video, re-sow the cabbage and turnip, as in the title of the video. Hold on a wee second, just get my dug out. But everything else looks pretty healthy. They need a water, which we'll be doing that later before I shut it up again. Really, that's it. Now we'll move inside. I just thought I would maybe show you this in order, try and get it in the shade. This is the grass seed that I sowed to do the patches in the grass. And that's about it. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to sow some lobelia and alyssum and the cabbage. I'll show you the tomatoes while I'm here. I think I've managed to save the Crimson Crush. I think they're doing better. The wife's gone shopping today. I've asked her to get me some Epsom salts, which a subscriber messaged me, told me to try that. These are the cherry tomatoes. These are going in the bin, but I've re-sown some in there to replace them. And that's about it. The primula are doing nothing. The saved marigold seeds, I got 2, and the poached eggs aren't doing too well either. I'm starting to think it's the compost that I bought it from, is it Home Bargains or something? I can't remember first you got it for. Anyway, I'll be back in a minute once I get set up to do the sowing. Okay, let's see if this is going to actually work now. I'm just trying something out, so you can let me know if I look alright. Sorry, if the video looks okay, if you can hear me okay. Please comment below. I don't know, but before we actually start this, if you could click the like button and click the subscribe button. And if you enjoy this, I'll try and do this more often, whereas you can actually see who I am rather than just a voice behind a camera. So what I'm going to start with is, I've got 2 of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 3, 21. And I'm going to have lobelia in one, alyssum in the other. And then I've got some, I'll show you when I get there, but this is the lobelia. Don't know if you can see that, it's Cambridge Blue. And there is an absolute ton of seeds in there. Premier Seeds Direct, £1. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to create a small indentation. Now I watched Rob from, from the attic do it this way. So that's how I'm going to create a small indentation in each one. like that. And then we will, sorry, I keep looking up to see, making sure everything's alright. I don't usually do anything like this. We drop my hand, and I'll grab a pinch and drop a pinch in each one. I don't know exactly how many is going in. Put the ones in there. Okay, let's try it a different way this time. Let's try it right away. I don't know if you can actually see that on the video, but there is quite a lot of seeds going in each one. I'll keep some for later, I think. Or I'll just, do you know what? I mean, they were only £1, so if they don't come up, they don't come up. And what I will say is this is the same compost that I was using for my tomatoes, and they haven't done that well. Anyway, once that's all done, I'm just going to cover them up. And then they will go up on the tray under the lights, and I'll put a propagator lid over the top of them just to give them that wee bit extra heat. Do you know what? I'm going to have to buy a sieve. I watch people on YouTube all the time using sieve compost. The sieve I've got is really large, so it's no good for this. So I'm going to have to buy a sieve and start sieving my compost, I think. And if this really starts to take off, get some new equipment. My computer is, I mean, really old. I don't even know if this is going to work. You know, the recording thing. So we'll see how things go. But I'm going to do exactly the same for the Allison. But before I do that, I'll show you. Okay. Now they'll go up and they'll get a good watering, and then, as I said, I'll cover them with a propagator lid, a big one that'll cover it all. I'll just put these away just now. Give me a wee second. Get out of the road. Okay. And now I'm going to do something very similar, except I'm going to use my turnip. Purple top white globe turnip. And basically all I'm going to do is roughly the same thing. I mean, 4,000, I don't know if you can actually read that. 4,000 seeds for 99p. So I'm just gonna, again, I'm going to create a small divot in each one, I'm going to use the Charles Dowding method and put maybe 1, 2, 3 in each one. If 4 fall in, 4 fall in, I'll pick out the weakest ones and keep the strongest ones. And that's exactly the same as I'm going to do for my cabbage. So there's absolutely no point in showing you it all again. So we'll just cover up those seeds again. These will go under, they'll go on the big tray, but they'll then go under a propagator lid just to get them started. And that's about us. So we're going to have, I need to mark these. With, nearly forgot. Should never forget to do that. The pencil. Oh man, I can't even find a pencil. I've got thousands of the things. Excuse me, back this up. So this is turnip. And I'm going to need one for the lobelia. Cabbage. And have I got another one in here? I've only got a wee short one. And this is going to be the Allison. Okay, and that's them done. Put that pencil in there so I know I can find it. Okay, that's it. So if you've actually enjoyed the fact that you can see who's speaking and who you're watching, then I'll try and do this more often. And we'll see how it goes. Okay, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.